Welcome to our feature overview of the NOTBOX from Heller Enterprise Networks. This video covers common demo requests of network impairment, live packet capture, and various tools within. Please reach out to us via the contact form on our website to get the ball rolling on getting your first NOTBOX today. This would be your physical NOTBOX setup. We have our laptop connected to the downlink port, along with the management and uplink ports connected to our upstream network. Let's get started. Here we have our NOTBOX WebUI's network impairment page with settings for latency, jitter, packet loss, and bandwidth. Let's get a ping going to Cloudflare to show you a baseline traffic example. As you can see, round-trip latency is consistent and no packet loss is visible. Now we are going to arm our impairment engine. We'll choose one of the quick presets, Poor LTE, then click Apply. You can immediately see the ping has been affected by the settings we've applied. The NOTBOX impairment engine is causing higher latency, jitter, and increased packet loss. Now we are going to manually bump our packet loss up to 25% to really interrupt the line, then click Apply. The increased packet loss impacting the Cloudflare ping happens immediately and is visible in our terminal window. With ease, let's clear our impairment settings back to baseline. The Cloudflare ping stabilizes. Just below is our bandwidth utilization chart showing current download and upload speed, along with session totals for the duration. Up next, we are going to set a bandwidth restriction on total download speed and run a speed test to ensure the impairment is active. For the sake of time, here are our baseline download and upload speeds, 326 up and 41 down. Now let's set the download limit to 10 megabit and click Apply. You'll see the internet speed test in the bottom right of our video for the purpose of this demo. The internet speed test is held below the 10 megabit per second threshold, while our bandwidth utilization chart shows a current download of exactly 10 megabit per second. Upload speed is unaffected. Additionally, you can also look at a more granular view of bandwidth utilization on the live chart. Download speed total for the speed test ended up below our 10 megabit per second threshold. Let's clear the settings, disable our impairment engine, and move over to the NOTBOX's packet capture page. Taking a look here at NOTBOX's packet capture page, you can see time, size, and status of the capture. We have multiple storage options including local with a 50 megabyte limit, SMB, NFS, and port mirror, which functions like a network tap. We also have various packet capture filters to ensure you capture exactly what you need. On our laptop, let's switch back to the terminal. Then start your packet capture with Live Summary turned on. The Live Summary appears and starts displaying data immediately. Now let's do a ping to yahoo.com. You can see the DNS query appear on the Live Summary on the NOTBOX interface. Let's also do a ping to tacobell.com in the terminal. Back over on the NOTBOX interface, you can see the hostname appear in the DNS queries with all potential IPs associated to that hostname. NOTBOX's packet capture engine will catch all host names regardless of the request, from web traffic, cloud connections, APIs, or even remote access protocols. Next, let's browse to Dell.com to show what is behind the landing page. Immediately, you can see multiple host names and their associated IP addresses, including a CDN, consent management, AI analytics, and more. We also have top conversations which show source and destination IP addresses, ports, and traffic totals, aggregated data usage by remote IP, protocol traffic total, TCP health indicators, and connection failures. With the capture now finished, you can see 4 options have appeared at the top. First, we see pop-out to send this summary to a new secondary window. The results we just captured, like the DNS, server name indicators, top traffic conversations, data aggregates, and others, are ready for a printer or PDF-friendly version relevant for an executive leadership report, sharing with technical teams, or for your own review. Heading out of our pop-out, our other three options on the page are Download, for downloading the full PCAP file for manual review in tools like Wireshark, Export CSV to download the live summary conveniently put into a CSV file, and Clear, which clears the currently displayed capture. Now moving to our final page to check out in this NOTBOX demo, the Monitoring tab. First, you can see our latency and packet loss monitor. We already have a few going to various destinations. Let's open up a new monitor, type google.com in the target field, and press Enter. You can see the graph begin to populate as the monitor collects data. You can also zoom in and out for a more granular investigation with up to 30 days of history. At the bottom, we have our various tools, all executed from the management interface. First is speed tests, which test the uplink's connection speed. We've got port tests, which will validate remote destinations for listening TCP ports. You can add up to 10 rows on the interface or up to 50 via the provided CSV template. Next, we have ARP lookup, which lists MAC and IP addresses. There's public IP, which shows the NOTBOX's internet egress addresses. DNS lookup to show which IP address the hostname resolves to. Starting the next row, Quick Ping, which is a simple ping tool, followed by IP lookup to provide us with whois data on a remote IP address, and lastly, Traceroute for confirming the network path to the remote destination. In the NOTBOX's header bar, you can see the current management IP address assigned from our upstream network. The bar also displays impairment and capture statuses. You have customizable Wi-Fi settings here for SSID, password, encryption type, and more. And finally, the settings page with local password setup, management network configurations, firmware updates, and unique device information. This concludes our demo, and thank you for your time watching from us here at Heller Enterprise Networks. As mentioned, please reach out to us via the contact form on our website at hellernetworks.com.